everyone, welcome back. It's me, Eva, and today I'm going to be rating my e.l.f. products. Alright everyone, I got my hair back. I'm ready to go. Looking at my products, and I have a ton I'm really excited for, but I have this really one trendy product, this, that I just got. It's been trending, so stay tuned to see this and my reviews on this. Also guys, just so you know, she's going to be coming out with a music video soon, so that's really exciting. So make sure you keep a lookout on for that. She's spending a lot of her time on it. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to be first trying the Hydrating Camo Concealer. And I know I've seen this a lot of places too. This is also really trending, so this is kind of like a big start. So I'm going to just be putting it on. This is another one of the e.l.f. products, so I'm going to be trying this at the same time. This is the Beauty Blender, and I'm going to be also rating this too. So I'm just going to be blending everything up. Reviewing the concealer, so I really like it. I just don't know if it's my shade. I think I should have got a little bit lighter next time, but I do really like it. It's super duper easy to blend. It's a little bit kind of cakey though, so a little bit kind of like that. So I think I'm going to be rating it a 9. It's not a 10, it's not perfect, but I really like it. So this is fantastic, but it gets a little bit difficult to blend in sometimes, and you can kind of see it a little bit. It's just a little bit more easy blendable, but other than that, it is super duper fantastic. So this is, make sure you get the Hydrating Camo Concealer. That is just perfect.
It's really good, guys.
Okay, so next I'm going to be rating the Beauty Blender. So I really like it. The reason I use a Beauty Blender instead of a brush is because it has moisture in it, which just makes it a little bit easier to blend it with than a brush. So that's why I like it. But this one is fantastic. The only thing is, it gets kind of dirty a bit fast, but also it's a teeny bit difficult to clean, but I love it so much. So I think like the concealer, I think I'm going to be rating it a 9. So that's my final rating. Okay, next I'm going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Camo Foundation Powder, and what's really good about it is primer infused, which makes it stay on longer. So it's like a primer infused foundation, so it's kind of like both. And it helps it stay on longer, which is really amazing. But this is, it comes with a mirror, and then the powder, and then this little, like, brush, like sponge, like flat sponge thing. So. My thoughts and my rating of the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation, and I really like it. It is super duper easy. I love the mirror so you can see yourself blending it, so that's really amazing, and I love that. And this blending sponge makes it really easy to blend, which is super fantastic, and I really love it. And I don't really think it looks that cakey, and I think it just really elevates the look. It makes it shine. So I think this product is definitely going to be a 10. So I just love this product. It's definitely going to be 10. I just love it. It's perfect. You might have seen me do this with other videos and showing you how to try this on. If you want to know how to put this on, look at this video.
It's really good. Like, really good.
Yeah. And so next I'm going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Micromatics multi-stick, and this is the color Dazzling Peony. Well, I think you heard that in the video if you watched that, but anyway, now I'm going to be applying it. Just did my eyeshadow, my blush with the Micromatic stick, and it is so good. I love the color so much. The only thing is I need a lot for it to really show up. Even the camera, you really can't see it well. So that's just my thoughts. But my rating would be an 8.5. Guys, we're so close to be trying this. I'm so excited because this is trending so much right now. And it just came out. It's amazing. So stay tuned for that.
Yes,
also, the next product we're going to be trying is the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush.
It's pretty.
And then this eyeshadow palette, this 4 eyeshadow palette called Rose Water. So I think these 2 colors in the middle. Oh, I'm going to be putting on e.l.f. this color and this color, and I'm going to be trying these 2 colors on myself, just so I'm going to be trying to do that. So the first I'm going to be doing this glitter, which I'm going to be putting on me.
Glitter? Ooh!
So when I do this, I saw this, and people usually just put the glitter on like the corner of their eye, and it makes it look so good. I love doing this. It adds like a little glittery finish. So I love that. That is just fantastic. This brush is making it so easy just to get around here. Just fantastic. Put it on her. So excited. I think it looks really good. So now I'm going to be giving you my review. So I rate this palette 7.5. I really like it. It's like these colors are like the same, and this doesn't really show up very well, but besides that, it's really good. So yeah. And next I'm going to also be doing the brush. This brush is literally a 10 out of 10. It is so easy to blend with. You can do this with it. It is fantastic. Everyone, it's now the big finale. And if you got to this moment, I have a big treat for you. This is the Sun Gloss Broad Spectrum SPF 25 lip gloss. And usually, I've never ever seen a lip gloss with SPF 25.
Wow!
Like, I've never seen that before. And this just came out with e.l.f. And I was like, oh my gosh. I see this everywhere. I need to get this because it just really amazing. And you know, I live in Florida, so you know I'm all about things with SPF 25 or 30. So the color I got is G Queen, cool vibe. And it actually kind of smells peachy, which is fabulous.
Yep.
I love this so much. I don't even want to say I'm giving a rating review. That's how excited I am. It is fantastic. This is like something you definitely gotta get, guys. Like, this is just phenomenal. It is just amazing lip gloss. It makes your lips so shiny, and it just is perfect. And it's so easy to put on. It looks so great, and it just is really giving off lots of summer vibes. This is like summer in a lip gloss. It is just fantastic. So I definitely rate this a 10 out of 10, and this is amazing. Right, so out of this whole video, my top 2 are my 2 favorites, really. These are a tie. This e.l.f. foundation powder and this e.l.f. SPF 25 lip gloss. These are both fantastic, and they're both easy to put on. So yes, get these.
No!
Alright, thank you for watching this whole video. If you made it to this point, you guys are awesome. I love you all so much, and have a great day, and make sure to subscribe and like. Also, like if we should do a part 2. What do you guys think? Should we do a part 2? I think so. I think we should. I have a few more items up my sleeve.
I do too. I got lip gloss I can try out too.
Also, subscribe if you think I should do e.l.f. makeup. Have a wonderful day. Bye!
That's the guys.
I'll be reading this. And this is oh my gosh, this concealer just fell asleep.
Oh no! Oh no!
Alright, now I'm gonna be blending it.
Look at the I'm here. I'm also pretty professional. Okay? Just let you know.